Whoa! I've never driven something that crazy. This thing drives so well. So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be experiencing and driving the all new C63 SE Performance, the 2023 model. And if you want to watch the full walk around of this model, click the info box above. I already did that, but today we will be mainly focusing on the sound. I will be doing a sound driving. I will be first driving in Comfort, Sport Plus, and I also have a GoPro mounted outside, and we'll be also putting you some footage of that so you can experience the drive and the sound with me. So let's get it on and start up the car in Comfort. I have the key right over here. We'll be putting it inside, and yeah, let's start it up. So this drive will be not about a lot of talking. We will be mainly focusing on the drive, and we're starting to drive in Comfort right away. There's no sound at all, I have to say, therefore we will stop it right here. I want sound, therefore we will be now starting it up with an emotion start. Okay, and how you do that is you start the ignition. There we go. And then you switch it up to Sport Plus, hold one pedal and start up the car. Listen, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So now we will be starting in Sport. Let's get it on. In Sport we don't have the exhaust on, just to mention it. You can see it here. That's it. We will be now stepping it up to Sport Plus. The exhaust is on. Oh, the sound is way sportier. Downshift. I said that I wouldn't be saying a lot, but I have to say one thing. This car is literally sticking on the ground as if they put glue on the tires. Whoa. I've never driven something that crazy performance wise from AMG any day. Is just the best thing that they did here. Holy. Look, I'm honest with you, I'm a huge petrol head and AMG fanboy. Emotion wise, there's not a lot to say, but this thing drives so well. It's so fun. Wow, just look at the view. Performance-wise, this is the craziest thing that we have seen from Affalterbach, because mostly what you have is V8s with a lot of horsepower, but unfortunately you can't really use the output, the performance, let's say 510 horsepower, especially with the rear-wheel drive cars, because you always have the tires slipping, you don't feel safe. But with this one, oh, whatever speed you're driving, whatever you like, however you take the corner, the car is literally extremely stiff when you switch it to Sport Plus. It's glued onto the ground, and as soon as you switch it back to Comfort, you have a normal C-Class. And this is something that they have done so well. Amazing job to the AMG developers, to the engineers. This is just one of the craziest things. I'm extremely impressed just by the work and effort that they have invested in this car. It's not comparable to the old C63, yes, but it's just unbelievable. It's just extremely unbelievable. Let's go back to Sport Plus. So now let me just pull up here on the right hand side, and let's also do a sound check when stationary from the inside, okay? I have the car set into Sport Plus. Listen up. All in all, guys, that's it for today's video. How did you enjoy the drive inside the all new C63 SE Performance? I have to say, wow, it's really not comparable to the old one, and I understand why a lot of people hate and bash AMG for not having the V8 anymore, but in my eyes this doesn't deserve any hate at all, because it's a performance beast and monster made in Affalterbach. Amazing work done, 680 horsepower to bring that all on the road for a C-Class. Let's just ignore the fact that we have a 4-cylinder and 2-liter engine here, or a hybrid version. The car drives so natural and it's so fun to drive. It's just an honest opinion from my side. I don't get paid to say this, but it's been crazy. I miss the V8, I miss the sound, but the drive and performance wise, this is the craziest thing I have driven from AMG, and the craziest C-Class. Just think about it, it's just a C-Class and it's just mind-blowing. All in all, how do you guys like it? Obviously we will miss the V8, but how do you think about this? Please share it in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.